Welcome. If you want to turn on or just turn off the auto rotation screen in your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, at first you have to open the notification bar and tap on the portrait icon. Right now it changed to the auto rotate, so right now when we grab our smartphone and open one of the app, and we will be able to rotate the screen. Of course the smartphone is going to rotate the screen automatically into all of the position, and that's how this function works. And if you want to close it, so we have to click right here. And right now when we rotate the screen, rotate the smartphone, it is not going to rotate the screen automatically. So that's how it works. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya.